大家好，我是欧比王，上课喽。
Vocabulary class.
Now we are going to learn this character. It is pronounced as
间
Let's see how to write this character. This character has 6 strokes.
间
It means sharp, top ability, sensitive, scream, leading trend. Let's review the pronunciation of the rhythm of the 4 tones.
一安烟鸡烟间
尖
This word is the first tone, so it should be
间
The origin of this character.
There are many theories about the origin of words. We only take the ones that are easier to understand. Not all Chinese characters are hieroglyphics. Some are combinations of 2 characters, which need to be understood. There are also similar characters in English, for example. Be plus cause become because. There is a type of Chinese characters called ideographic characters or combined ideogram, which are 2 or more characters combined into a new character to express a new meaning.
间
This word is combined with small and big. What does it mean to go from big to small? It means to be sharp.
The meaning of this character.
间
It means sharp, top ability, sensitive, scream, leading trend.
间
The sharp end of an object or the protruding and tapered part of an object. It is sharp or protruding.
笔尖
A pointed part at one end of a pen that the ink flows through when you write or draw.
指尖
Tips of fingers.
笔尖
Nib.
选购毛笔时，可以观察笔尖是否锋利，使用前将笔尖的胶洗净即可使用。
指尖，
Fingertip.
它的指尖在琴键上跳动，弹奏出梦幻的旋律。
尖
A particularly outstanding person or thing. In terms of a group of people, it refers to people with top abilities.
顶尖好手
A person with outstanding talents and skills, usually referring to sports or physical skills.
尖子生，
It is a term used in mainland China and not used in Taiwan. It refers to some students with the best academic performance, top students. Top player.
顶尖好手。全世界首届电竞世界杯登场，全球顶尖好手将一同较量。
尖
Sensitive and sharp. It usually refers to sensory acuity, such as the ability of the nose to smell, the ability of the eyes to detect abnormalities.
鼻子尖
It usually refers to the nose's strong ability to distinguish smells. If it is used to describe a person's appearance, it refers to a tall nose.
眼睛尖
The ability of the eyes to detect abnormalities. For example, you can find out your mother in between 1,000 mothers.
鼻子尖
Sensitive nose.
你今天做了烤鸡吗？好香。
就你鼻子尖，这么远都闻得出来。
尖
A high frequency and harsh sound.
尖叫
When this word is used to describe sounds or speech, it refers to high frequency sounds. For example, screaming.
尖叫，
scream,
宝贝，有话好好说，不可以尖叫。
尖，
describes the front end or top of a group, technology, industry,
尖端科技，
metaphor for the most advanced, cutting-edge technology.
尖兵，
We do not use this word in the military, but in daily life, especially in matters of morality, which can serve as an example to the public. For example, schools ask children to do environmental recycling, and active participants are called environmental protection little vanguards.
环保小尖兵，
Cutting-edge technology.
尖端科技。机器人是目前的尖端科技，在各方面影响着所有的行业。
Environment protection, little vanguard.
环保小尖兵，
我弟弟在学校环保回收做得很好，被评为环保小尖兵。
Word in daily life.
Peak hours.
尖峰时段，
In life, when we talk about peak hours, we will use this word. So on the website of the power company, you will see that the electricity bill is divided into peak hours and off-peak hours. Peak hours,
尖峰时段，
shoulder period.
半尖峰时段，
Off-peak hours,
离峰时段。
Finally, let us appreciate the works of famous calligraphers in history.
尖，
Which one is your favorite? That's it for today. Remember to download and print the PDF file for writing practice, or download the JPG file to practice on your mobile phone. Ciao.